Tiltil and Meetil live in a small house. Their father is a poor woodcutter. It's the night before Christmas. They look out the window. They see a big house in the neighborhood.
Look at the Christmas tree.
Look at the toys.
Look at the cakes.
Look at the food on the table.
Look at the dancing boy.
Tiltil and Meetil envy them. Suddenly, an old woman comes in. She looks like a poor old woman, but she is a fairy.
Do you have a bluebird?
The fairy asks.
Tiltil has one.
Meetil answers. The fairy looks at the bluebird carefully.
No, it's not blue enough.
The fairy shakes her head.
My daughter is very sick. She wants to see a bluebird. Can you go and find the bluebird?
The fairy asks. The fairy gives them a green magic hat. It has a big diamond. Suddenly, the Queen of Light appears.
I will guide you,
she says. Tiltil and Meetil set off to find the blue bird with the magic hat and a big cage. They reach the land of memory. They meet their grandpa and grandma. They see a bluebird there.
We found the bluebird!
Tiltil and Meetil shout. Take the bluebird, their grandpa says. They say goodbye to their grandparents.
Tiltil, this bird looks strange. It turned into a blackbird!
Meetil gets frightened.
Don't be sad. You'll find the bluebird.
The Queen of Light guides them to the Palace of Night. The Palace of Night is dark. It has a lot of doors. In each door, germs, ghosts, and wars wait for them. Finally, when they open the last door, they can see a blue bird.
Here is the bluebird!
But the blue bird soon dies. They go to the kingdom of the future. They have a good time with the children there, and they meet their future brother. But they can't find the blue bird there.
Where should we go next?
Tiltil wonders.
To the forest.
The Queen of Light says. In the forest, they see a bluebird on an oak tree.
The oak tree has the blue bird.
Tiltil shouts.
Be silent. Your father killed my family. Now you are going to steal my treasure.
The oak tree scolds them.
Death! Death!
The trees in the forest cry out. The trees and animals try to hurt them. Tiltil quickly turns the diamond on the hat. All the trees and the animals get quiet, but they can't find the blue bird either.
Oh, where is the blue bird?
Tiltil sighs.
Where should we go now?
Metil wonders.
Time is up. You should go home now.
The Queen of Light replies sadly.
No, don't go!
They shout.
Get up, sleepyheads. It's Christmas morning.
They wake up to Mom's voice. Til and Metil kiss and hug their mom. The poor old woman comes in.
How's your daughter?
Mom asks the old woman.
Not so good. She wants a Christmas present. Can you give your bird to the little girl?
Mom says to Til.
Yes, Mom.
Til and Metil look around the house. The small house looks bigger than yesterday. Suddenly, the old woman comes in with her daughter.
Look at my daughter. When she saw the bird, she began to run and dance.
Til thinks.
Is my gray dove the bluebird?
Happiness filled their house.